Hey California prune fans! Today we've got a delicious, decadent brownie recipe for you that just so happens to be vegan. To start, we're going to make a prune puree that will sweeten our batter and make this batch rich and moist. Start with 10 ounces of pitted California prunes and a stick blender or food processor. Blend the prunes, slowly adding in water a little at a time until you have a smooth, spreadable puree. It'll have the texture of a very rich frosting. Next, we'll prepare a 9 by 9 inch cake pan with a spray of cooking oil and a layer of parchment paper. This isn't technically necessary, but it helps get the brownies out once they've baked. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Fill the bottom of a double boiler with water, then melt 6 ounces of unsweetened chocolate with half a cup of California extra virgin olive oil. Once that's melted, transfer it to a large mixing bowl and mix in 2 cups of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and all 10 ounces of prune puree. Then stir to combine everything. Now we can whisk in our dry goods, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Keep folding these into the batter until everything's nicely mixed. Transfer the batter to the prepared pan, then spread it in an even layer, making sure to tuck it into the corners for those crispy edges. Sprinkle on some flaky sea salt, then pop these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the top starts to look dry and the edges are just beginning to pull away from the sides of the pan. Cool in the pan, then remove using the parchment paper and slice into 3-inch squares to serve. These are incredible warm, but they'll also hold for a few days, if you can resist them that long.